Hey you guys, welcome to Leroux. Today I'm going to be going Hey you guys. Lucky, hush baby. Welcome to Leroux. It's Chanel here. Damn, I ain't supposed to tell y'all my first name. Lucky, hush. Hey you guys, welcome to Leroux. Lucky, god damn, shut up. Hey you guys, welcome to Leroux. Today we're going to be cooking. Okay, see, I'm gonna take. Let me take your ass outside because you gonna fuck up the whole video. Okay. Hey you guys, welcome to Leroux. Today we're cooking chicken tetrazzini. So I'm just gonna take you through the basic steps that I use to put everything together. First things first, I've got my water boiling right here. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and put my noodles in. I already put a tablespoon of butter in here, so we're just going to throw the noodles in. Got the water boiling. We're going to cook it to al dente. We're not going to cook it all the way through because it does have to bake. So let's get started. So I'm just going to throw some of this in here. Let that cook. Okay, so it hasn't even been 5 minutes and the noodles have already began to cook. So I'm just going to cook this for a little bit longer. Shouldn't take too much longer. After that, we're going to go ahead. Ooh, camera's getting steamed up. After that, we're going to go ahead and get started on the chicken. Make sure you stir your noodles just a little bit so they don't stick. Make sure you got butter in here. I went ahead and put a dash of salt in here. I used Himalayan pink salt. So just a little bit, not too much, because the other things that you're going to be using will have salt content in it, so you don't need that much salt in it. For those of you who struggle with high blood pressure. Okay, so while that's cooking, we're just going to move over to the chicken. These are just pieces of chicken breast that I cut up, and for this, I just got some dried minced onions, some Old Bay seasoning, garlic powder, chili powder, lemon pepper seasoning. And so this has been marinating for a few moments. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on this next. But basically you could just season it how you want, but this is just what I use to season the chicken for this recipe. Alright, so these noodles have been cooking for about 6 to 7 minutes now. I'm going to go ahead and take this off, and I'm not going to cook this all the way because I don't want the noodles to be soft. So I'm going to, ooh, more steam. Excuse me. Yeah, sorry. So this is going to be off. I'm going to go ahead and drain my noodles. And I'm going to go ahead and put the chicken on and put these noodles to the side. So I'm just going to go ahead and let this start cooking. And it shouldn't take too long. And you guys, that was my dog earlier. I'm so sorry. He gets really anxious when he thinks that I'm talking to him. I guess since I started talking on camera, he thought I was talking to him. And he loves attention. He gets mad if you don't pay attention to him, and he starts making that noise. But don't worry, I didn't have him anywhere near the kitchen. But he is outside. Yeah, that's my dog. And let's see. Now the chicken is, whoo, don't fall on me. Okay. Okay, I'll just have to hold it up. Okay. Alright, so the chicken is almost done. Great. I didn't have to turn it on high. It's not burned or anything. So the chicken looks pretty juicy. It's not sticking to the skillet. It's doing just fine. I mean, that's my advice. If you don't want your chicken too dry, don't overcook it. I think that's common sense, but I guess some people may not have gotten the notice. But this is pretty much done. So I'm gonna go ahead and move back to my noodles. I'm going to put the cheese in my noodles. The cheese, I'm going to go ahead and melt my Velveeta cheese, put it in the noodles, and I'm going to mix the cream of chicken in there with the noodles, and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so you saw me mix all that. I feel like I'm going to go ahead and throw some salsa in here as well. Done. So I cooked everything at about 350 for 25 to 30 minutes. Everything turned out great. So I'm not sure if you guys can. Oh, there it is. Okay, the color just fixed. Okay, so I'm just gonna let this cool off because I literally just took this out of the oven. I'm gonna let this cool off, put it on the plate, and I'm gonna let you guys see it then. And yes, honey, we are back. This is all done. Everything went very well. You guys, this is everything. If you want to get something similar to this, just follow the recipe. It's really simple. Comment down below and let me know how you guys make your chicken tetrazzini. Y'all be blessed. I love you guys. See you next time.